Good morning, children. Yesterday we are completed up to page number 44 in studio. Now see page number 45. Here they are given complete the mind map. Once look at your studio, children. See here. So I already listened the lesson. So in this lesson, you know layers of soil and types of soil. So how many layers of soil we have? Topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. And how many types of soils we have? Sand, slate, clay. Okay. Next, so soil erosion. Soil erosion, what are the factors of soil erosion? Prevention of soil erosion. ఏవైతే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ సాయిల్ ఎరోషన్ అవ్వడానికి రీజన్ అవుతున్నాయి, నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఎలా సాయిల్ ఎరోషన్ని కంట్రోల్ చేయొచ్చు అని రాయాలి. సో we know that the soil erosion is becoming from the by wind, by water and by human activities. If you are doing many constructions or if you are doing digging in that land, so we are getting soil erosion. And by the wind, you know, deserts we can see, you know. So you have to write here examples. By the wind, Sahara Desert, and mountains by water, and by human activities, examples constructions or digging, anything you have to write that correct reason. And next, see prevention of soil erosion. So if you are prevented soil erosion, we can grow more plants, yes children, and by minimizing the cutting of trees and by replacing the ones that are cut down. And trees and plants also you should plant in the open areas. Okay, so these are the preventions of the soil erosion. Next on the page 46, children. Here friends of nature, in every lesson we have no. So here conversation there, boy and girl, they are saying like this: hi, we are friends of nature, let us learn how we can be friends with soil. So ఎలా మనం soil తో ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ చేయాలి చూద్దాం. Soil conservation is the best way to make sure that we preserve the land we need to live on. Okay, so how do we conserve our soil? And prevention of the soil erosion you have to do. Here are some simple steps they are given. Once see here, children, you know already humus. Okay, it is a black color powder we are observing in the top soil. Our vegetable or fruit flower waste and grass along with the dry leaves can be collected in a pit in the garden. Yes children, and over time this will rot and form humus which can be used for plants, because in this humus so many nutrients are there in the humus. These are good for plants. We can also grow grass, trees and other plants to cover the soil and prevent it from the eroding, means removing. Okay, sometimes the strong winds comes, means here the top soil will blow or it will be washing away. Yes children, so now here you have to write, this is today homework, page number 46, children. You have to write any two ways how can you conserve the soil and prevent the soil erosion. Okay, so write two reasons. మీరు ఎలా ప్రివెంట్ చేస్తారు సాయిల్ ఎరోషన్ని, ఇక్కడ టూ వేస్ రాయాలి. And next here, cut out the soil conservation poster from the companion and put it up proudly in your house. In companion you are having the soil conservation poster, so you have to cut it and stick in your house. Now see page number 47, children. Here glossary there. See bedrock and humus, topsoil, soil erosion, subsoil and weathering. Okay, in the meanwhile lesson time we will completed these all meanings, children. Now see question time. Here see fill in the blanks. Dash is the loose material that is found on the surface of the earth. Okay, so if you don't have soil we can get the loose material? No. So here soil is the reason. Soil is the loose material that is found on the surface of earth. And see second one, children, the process by which rocks are broken down into particles is called weathering. Okay, so every day in olden days we are observing that the mountains and hills, they are broken down into the particles because of weathering, hot, cold, rainy, snow reasons then it happened. Next, third one, see, dash is a part of the topsoil that contains rodent plants and animals. Okay, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను హ్యూమస్ అనేది మనం ఎలా ఫామ్ చేస్తాము, రోడెంట్ ప్లాంట్స్ని లేదా డ్రై లీవ్స్, వెజిటబుల్ పీల్స్ ఇవన్నీ సెర్టెన్ డేస్ తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, బ్లాక్ కలర్ పౌడర్ అంటే హ్యూమస్ కింద ప్రిపేర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై హ్యూమస్ ఈజ్ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టాప్ సాయిల్ దట్ కంటైన్స్ rodent plants and animals. And fourth one, see, dash is the type of soil that is rough and grainy to touch. Okay, here they are asking type of soil. Okay, so sand is the type of soil that is rough and grainy. If you are touching the sand, you can feel that the sand grains are there and it is rough. Yes, children. Next, page number 48. See, clay is rough, grainy and allows water to pass through. Clay is rough material, children? No. So here you have to write false. And soil is eroded only by wind and water. Okay, it's not eroded by only wind and water, human activities also. So that's why false. Soil erosion can be reduced by minimizing cutting of trees. Okay, how can we reduce the soil erosion? We can grow more plants and minimizing the cutting of trees. So this is true. And see, fourth one, bedrock is the top layer of the soil made of small fine soil particles. Bedrock is the third layer, it is not top layer. That's why here it is wrong. Okay, children, up to here you have to complete today. Tomorrow I will send question answers. Okay, children, bye.